So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Glaze, and so guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this simple French nails, but I'm going to give it a twist using some dried flowers. We're going to encapsulate some dried flowers, so I really hope you're going to enjoy this video. Don't forget to show me some love on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Show me some love and then come back and watch this video. I'm heading out to the gym and I will see you at the end of this video. Okay, so I've already got the old acrylic off. I've prepped the nails and also applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. I will put the link for you guys of how to prep nails in the description box below, so you can go ahead and watch that video. And now I'm starting off with applying Cover Pink from Young Nails to create the nail bed. And you guys, we are going to encapsulate some dry flowers in this nail. So make sure you try to make these nails as flat as possible, because we are going to get a flower and also encapsulated in clear acrylic, so the nail can get thick really easy. So make sure you try to make the nail bed as flat as you can. Of course, you have to make sure to cover all the nail underneath, but make sure you use enough to cover everything underneath, but also to have like a thin layer, if you know what I'm saying. So that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails, and then I'm coming back and I will explain you guys what I'm going to do next. So next I'm using the XXX White from Young Nails to apply on the tip of the nails, and you guys don't mind the messiness because we will be filing that away. If you have applied the nail bed as perfectly as you can, then you will not have to worry about applying the color that you're going to use at the tip, because we will file that away. So don't worry, it will be fine. So this is like the French nail that I have done before, but it's a thin version of that, a thinner version, because we will be encapsulating the flowers. But I will put the link for you guys in the description box, so you can go ahead and watch the video on how I do the French nails. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do on all the 10 nails. So now I'm using my medium grit bit to file on the nail to get that beautiful smile line, and also to get the nails thinner, as thin as I can get them, because we will once again encapsulating dried flowers. So I want the nails to be really thin before encapsulating the nails. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting the excess white acrylic off the nail bed, so we can get that clear and nice smile line. So that's why you don't have to worry about getting the white acrylic on messy, because we will be filing that away. So that's what I'm doing on all the 10 nails, and then we will go in the fun part. So these are the flowers that I'm going to use. I've got these flowers from XXX Ink Nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. And to apply the flowers, I'm using like a small amount of clear acrylic to stick the flower into the clear acrylic, and like to place it where I want them to be and press it into the clear acrylic. And that's what I'm going to do with all the 10 nails. And when I'm done doing that, I will come back when the clear acrylic and the flowers are dried. I will come back and encapsulate the whole nail with clear acrylic. So I've applied this small purple flower on this nail, but I didn't like it after all. So at the end of the video, you will see me changing the flower for another color, so that's why you will see me changing this nail, so don't worry about it. And I really want to let these kind of mistakes, or it's not a mistake, but you know, these kind of things, I just want you guys to see them also in my video, because I also want you guys to know that I'm also a human and I can also make mistakes. So it's not a problem at all to make mistake. It's not a big deal. You just get it off and start over again. Take your time, you know. So here you can see that I'm fixing it to put another color. And yeah, mistakes are human, so you can just make mistakes and just get it off and just start over again. So now I'm encapsulating the whole entire nail with clear acrylic. Make sure your clear acrylic is as wet as you can, so you don't get too much bubbles, because sometimes you have like the air underneath the flowers or the things that you will encapsulate, so you can get some bubbles sometimes. You can just pop them out with your brush if the acrylic is still wet, and just keep on going. But it's really normal that you can get sometimes some bubbles, so that's why I'm trying to work as wet as I can with my clear acrylic. So now I'm smoothing and shaping the nails with my medium grit bit from Kupa. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below of the nail bits, as always. And I'm doing that on all the nails. And next I will be using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. So now I'm using my taper bit. And you guys, if you're still here fighting these bump nails, these bump flower nails with me, comment in the description box below a flower emoji so I know that you're still here watching with me. Thank you so much for being here with me and supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And The heat is just getting me, guys. It's so hot here in the Netherlands. So the word that I'm going to learn you guys today from my language papiamento will be flor, and flor means flower. All right. Now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape. So this is how the nails look like after filing, buffing and cleaning them. And now I'm using the Cakes Ink Nails Gel Top Coat to top off the nails, and I'm curing the nails for 2 minutes under my lamp. I've applied some cuticle oil, and this is how the nails look, you guys. So pretty, so summery, so Frenchy, so classy. I really love the end result. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see in my next videos. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I really hope you have liked it. I really hope you have learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and go follow me on my Instagram, because I will be showing my progress of my training and my body shaping progress. I will be posting that on my Instagram, so go ahead. One of these days I'm going to post that. So yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.